Hello students. Now today we are going to start with a new chapter in which there is a section A. In this section A, the question comes as a optional, but in the paper part 1, this comes in a compulsory portion. Okay, this chapter is very important according to a class 12 also. This chapter is included in class 12. Okay, so pay attention towards it and learn it. Now see, what is propositional logic? Okay, we are first going to find out what it is. What does it define? Simply, it is a procedure to provide reasoning through statements. With the help of statements, we provide reasoning how the things are going to happen, how we are going to clear our doings. See what it is. We are continuously engaged with the programming statement through syntax and flow of control to check the validities. The procedure of validating the statement is based on certain reasoning. It is sure that whatever do we do, it depends upon the certain reasoning. It has some reasoning that why we are going to do, how it has been proved. So the reasoning, the study of such reasoning is termed as logic. Okay, hence logic can be defined as a tool to grant our thoughts and bring it to the reality. We always say logically it has been proved. It means in real it has been proved. So there are various ways to provide a logic. It can be done through thoughts, signs, signals, statements. Okay, the logic indicated through sentences with the help of sentences we provide a logic that is known as propositional logic. Okay. Now see, with the help of example, we are going to say that a sentence which results in true and false. We can define this as a sentence which has true or false. Either it proves a true or false. That is known as propositions. Okay. Now we will take some examples so that we can understand it properly. Akash is a clever student. In this, someone can say that it is true, someone can say that it is false. Okay, it can be true or false. It can be that Akash is not a clever student, so the answer can come in true and false. But the second question, we will see that where do you live. In this, there is no true and false. No, we can't say that where do you live, it is true or false. We live somewhere na, so it is not possible in the terms of true and false. Like that, grapes are sour. Yeah, someone can say that it is sweet, someone can say that it was. It also depends upon true and false. It is raining today. Okay, this can be also true or false. We can ask, is it raining today? It can be true or false. Okay, now last one, how long will you stay? How long will you stay? In this, there is no possibility of true or false. Okay, so this will not come in the proposition. Now in proposition, that terms only come which can be proved in true or false. Now compound proposition. What is compound? As you all know, when there are simple sentences, when we join two or more simple sentences, then it is known as compound proposition. Okay, it is customary to represent simple sentences by symbolic letters such as a, b, c. Suppose example here is it. Example is A has been symbolized with Jamshedpur is a steel city. B has been symbolized with it is in Jharkhand. It is understood when we say A means it is true, okay, and a compound proposition can be formed by joining both the sentences. Now we can say that Jamshedpur is a steel city and it is in Jharkhand. Okay, then it can be and the words which we in between used and or are joining two simple sentences. So we can say that these simple sentences are can be termed as connectivities. So here are some symbols of connectivities we generally gradually use. See the plus, this is for or. This is, see the symbols are plus, dot, represented by this and this respectively, known as connectivities. Okay, we symbolize it with symbol. Now we are going to learn about different terms related with the connectives. Now first is conjunction. Conjunction has two signs, say dot and this. Okay, it is the term used to combine two simple sentences. It results in true if both the statements are true. Okay, if both the statements are true, then it results true, otherwise false. It can be represented like this: a dot b, or this is your sign, see it, which also means a and b. It means both the conditions should be true, a and b. Suppose if a sentence is Akash is thin, he can climb the tree. Okay, the compound statement Akash is thin and he can climb the tree is represented like this. It uses product of the truth values. If A and B are two propositions, then conjunction of A and B will be like this. See truth table. A and B. A is 0011, B 0101. This is your truth table. You have to draw like this only. In the first variable, A is 0011 and B will be 0101. It means first is false, false, true, true, false, true, false, true. Okay. Now it will be A dot B will be A and B will be 00 will be 0, 01 will be 0, 10 will be 0 and 11 will be 1, because the both the statements should be true. So this is your conjunction. Okay. Now next is your second one is disjunction. In this, one condition should be true. Disjunction conjunctive proposition can be used to combine two simple propositions. It results in true if either or both the statements are true. If either one or yeah or otherwise both the statements are true, then its symbol is plus sign and like this above. Okay, see, pay attention like this. If Asita is singing, she is reading. Then the compound statement can be here: Sita is singing or she is reading. Okay, or the condition is either this can be true or either this can be true. The one statement should be true. See, according to the truth table, how it has been represented: A 0011, B 0101, A plus B, 00 will be 0, 01 will be 1, because one condition in this should be true. Okay, so here 10 will be also 1 and 11 will be also 1. Okay, now the last one is negation. The negation means not. It is represented by two signs like this and this. Negation of a simple statement is done by using connective not. First is true, second is false, then it will become false and true. A is 1 and 0, then it will become 0 or 1. Okay, see here, it is like this only. Now double negation means if we have done something double negation, here it comes the same answer that one is also first one answers. Okay, so students, pay attention towards your PPT. I am sending the PDF of this. All the statements should be in your class registers. Okay, see, it is just like your project only. Should write it in very neatly in your class registers this work, and if there is any problem then you can ask me in my to my personal WhatsApp number.